Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about the bulk deletion. So far, we have discussed about the auto numbering and the automatic record creation policies. If you have not watched those videos, you can definitely go and watch them first. And now we are going to talk about the bulk deletion, which is the part of our data management in Dynamics 365 CRM, right? So let me just click on bulk deletion. Now here I can basically create the bulk deletion jobs. So let me tell you that what is the use case of the bulk deletion jobs, right? So these are the jobs which we define in order to delete the records in our system. So let's say when you have multiple records in your system and you do not want to delete them one by one, or let's say you want to delete them based upon a certain condition. Let's say you want to download all the inactive records which are there in your system. You can use the bulk deletion system jobs, and it's not only limited to that. Let's say in your accounts you want to delete all the accounts which starts with the name A, right? So you can use the bulk deletion jobs, and with the help of them, with the help of this, you can basically delete all those records from your system. So within a few minutes of time, you can delete thousands of records from your system, and you do not have to do this thing manually because you have bulk deletion jobs for you. All right, so what we are going to do is that we are going to create such bulk deletion job now. Let me just click on new job. All right, so now as you can see here, we can click on look for entity, and basically in order to select that which entity will be the one for which you want to perform the bulk deletion job, right? So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to select a particular entity, and then you can also select a view here, right? So let me just go back to my CRM, and I can show you that I have the list of inactive accounts here. And what I want to do here is that I just want to delete all of these records. Okay, so one option is that you can just simply select it and you can just delete this records. But this thing can only happen in this scenario because we have a view of inactive accounts here. Let's say if you have specific conditions and based on those conditions you want to delete, right? Or let's say the number of accounts is very large. Right now it is only 66, but let's say it is more than 1000, right? So in such scenarios it is always recommended to use the bulk deletion jobs. All right, so let me just do one thing. Let me go and search for the account entity here, and then I can select the view, right? So you can just simply select the view of your choice. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the inactive accounts from here. And now besides the view also, you can select the conditions if you want, right? So if you want, you can just go and whatever condition you want to show here, you can show those conditions as well. So what I'm going to do here is that right now I do not want any kind of condition. So I'm just going to click on delete because we just want to delete all the inactive accounts, right? For the account entity. So we are not going to mention any condition here. But if you have mentioned a condition, you can click on preview records also. When I click on preview records, I'll be able to see the list of all the inactive accounts into the system. And these are the accounts which are going to be deleted, right? So that is one thing. And then you can give a name to your job as well. Okay, so whatever name you want to give, you can give a name. Let me just give a name. uh Inactive accounts deletion job, something like this. And now as you can see, it is showing me the time uh during which I want to just want this job to run. So I'm going to keep the time as whatever it is. And you can also schedule it. So if you want to run this job after every 30 days, you can do that. After every one day, you can do that. So you can select the time as well. So what it will do is that after every 30 day, it is going to execute again, and it will check that whether we have inactive accounts in the system or not, and it will just delete them. Okay, so for now I'm not going to enable this option. And here as you can see, there is also an option of email. So you can just enable this. What will happen is that whenever the job is going to be finished, it will just email you about it, right? So you can also enter another email if you want. So this is it. We have configured our bulk deletion jobs, and now I can just click on save in order to save it. So I can also do one thing. I can just change the view and go to my bulk deletion system jobs, and I will be able to see this job here. So you can see it is showing me that this inactive accounts deletion job is waiting for the response right now. If I just open it, I'll be able to see all the information here like this. Okay, so right now as you can see, it is showing me 0 success and 0 failure, and total is also 0. We have to wait for some time, and after some time it will send an email to me. notifying that the records has been deleted. So let's wait for uh, let's wait until we receive an email. So now, as you can see, if I just go and open my mail, I will be able to see this mail here, which is telling me that this inactive account deletion job has been completed successfully and the job has run. So what are we going to do is that I'm just going to go to my accounts, and now if I see, I can check that there is no inactive account left here, right? So this is how you can utilize the jobs. So right now, as you can see, the status has also been changed to succeeded, and it has deleted the 66 records which were there for us, right? So this is how you can use the bulk deletion jobs in order to delete the records of a particular entity based upon the conditions which you define for filtering out the attributes, or we can say for filtering out the records which you want to delete, right? So I hope that this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching it till the very end. Bye.